Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic headlight bulb. First, ensure your car is off and the engine is cool to prevent any burns or electrical issues. You will need a new H11 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly behind the front bumper. Next, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the two bolts holding the top of the headlight assembly. Gently pull back the fender liner in the wheel well to gain better access to the bulb housing. This will expose the back of the headlight. Now, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the rear of the old bulb by pressing the release tab. With the connector detached, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new H11 bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, then twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Before reassembling everything, turn on your car and test the headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If it illuminates, you're all set. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Finally, reattach the fender liner and secure the two 10mm bolts for the headlight assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.